Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to have a bit of fun today. I just feel like playing with some makeup, and I did it probably a couple of months ago. I did a Hufflepuff inspired look. So today I figured I will go with George's house and I'm going to do a Gryffindor inspired look. I haven't worn red eyeshadow for a while. I like red eyeshadow. So I figured it's my excuse and I'm going to do a Gryffindor inspired look. Now Gryffindor's colours are a maroon and gold, so we're going to have a go at that. I've got a whole bunch of stuff in front of me. I have no idea what I'm going to do. We're just going to come on in and have a go. So, let's get into it. Okay, where to begin? I don't know. I'm going to prime my eyes using my eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to use the one that's in my project pan, the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. And we will be back with that, I guess. So I actually have no idea. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So what I've done is I've taken the burgundy from the Huda beauty palette and I have placed that in my outer third and up through my crease, and then I've gone in with a little bit of MAC Carbon black eyeshadow, and I'm at the moment going between the two just to deepen up this outer V and getting, and then I go shove a whole bit of black eyeshadow on my lid. I'm having a good day. It's a good start to the day. Alright, so I'm just going to continue doing that and I'll be back. So I'm just going to take a little bit of glitter glue and add it to the front 2/3 of my lid. I'm now going to go in with Sugar Pill Kiss Kiss, which is a glitter red shadow. And I'm going to put that on this, probably the middle of my eye. I don't want to take it too far in. And I don't want to cover up too much of that depth and darkness that we've added out here. So I'm going to use that burgundy shadow from the Huda palette just to blend in the edge here. So I'm going to go in with MAC Gold Mine now. So just a true gold shadow. And I'm going to place that in this last little bit in the center, and I'm going to start blending it into the red. I'll go back and forth between the red and the gold till I get the blend that I want. So that's where we are so far. I kind of like the gold going into the red. Not only Gryffindor colours, but it reminds me of Forks. And Forks would be one of my favourite creatures in the franchise. So, alright, hence why I have a Forks. Well, I can't even show you, but I have a Forks. I'm going to go in with a bit of black gel liner, so I'm just going to use MAC Black Track and just create a wing, and then we'll do something with that when I'm finished with it. So I'm just using an angled liner brush. I'm going to make this wing quite thick, for me anyway. So on that wing that I've just created, I'm going to take, I've got a loose gold pigment. I've had it for forever. No idea who it's from. And I'm going to pack that over that wing I've just created. Okay, so that's it with the gold put over the liner. I didn't go too heavy. I wanted still that black to shine through, so it creates that, obviously, dimension there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to the face. I'm going to add some concealer. So I'm just going to use Project Pan one, my Age Rewind. I really like I like doing these Harry Potter inspired ones because we know I'm a Harry Potter nerd. It's just a bit of fun. It's a way to work with colours in a different way. I think I'm going to take the kids to watch The Lion King this afternoon. Kind of works with that too, doesn't it? It's got that kind of like lion mane kind of vibe going. I'm going to set that concealer with the Bobbi Brown banana powder. I'm going to add a bit of Australis Fresh and Flawless to the face. Now I'm going to go in with my Revlon Sculpt and Highlight kit and just I just go between the two. I think I've seen that me do this before. Again, it's all Project Pan stuff. For blush, I'm going to go in with my MAC blush in Raisin. So it's a bit of a red tinge. You only need the smallest amount of this. It has a lot of pigment. So I'm really working this in. Like, as you can see, it has a huge amount of pigment there. So I'm just softening it out. And then I'm going to go in with my Jouer Skinny Dip. Hold on. I'm going to go in with my Jouer Skinny Dip highlight. It's got a bit of a goldness to it. I'm going to add that to my cheeks. Now, I'm not a huge highlight person, so I like to go back in with my blush brush once I've put highlight on and kind of work it in with the blush. And then to soften it out a little bit more, I just take my big powder brush and just run over it. Okay, under the eyes. What do I want to do? I don't know. I think I might go in with a little bit of Kiss Kiss. No, Love Plus, the matte one. Love Plus. I'm going to keep that in a bit free. I'm going to go in a bit with on a little pencil brush with a bit of that burgundy from the Huda palette. Just in the outer third. And then on an even smaller brush, just a little smudge brush with a bit of carbon. I'm going to put it close to the lash line and connect it with that upper liner. Get back in with that brush, no additional product, that I had the Love Plus on, and just make sure they're all blended together. Just going to use a little bit of that Skinny Dip highlight and put that in my inner corner. Starting to feel a bit Gryffindor-y now. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, on a brush, take a little bit of glitter glue. What brush to use? I've cleaned all my brushes, so it's kind of like, ooh, I've got some brushes to choose from. So, okay. So just on a little tight line brush. I'm going to add some glitter glue to this inner third of my lower line. I'm going to go in with a gold glitter. This is from NYX. I don't think it has a name. I don't know. I've had it for a long time. And I'm going to actually add glitter. Run a bit of gold liner through the waterline. I'm going to go off and add some mascara, and I think I might even put falsies on today. If they look like this, I think it needs a bit of false lash action. So I'm going to go do that, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I've got lashes on, and I am going to add a little bit of Brick Lip Liner to my lips, obviously. And I'm going to go in with a Tarte lip paint in Vibin', okay, which is just a maroon colour. I've got a metallic lip from Colourpop in Flitter. Probably regret this. I'm going to add... Okay, so that's the final look. It's a bit of fun. Am I going to wear it out? Yes, I am. All of these looks I create, I have no problems in going out and wearing them. Will people probably look at me a little bit funny? Yeah, but they look at me funny anyway. I'm 6 foot tall. I always gain some kind of attention. I probably won't wear the beanie and the scarf out. But I'll go find out now whether Georgia thinks I did a good job embracing the Gryffindor colours. I feel a little bit more folksy, but that's okay. I don't mind that. And you'll have to let me know what you think. Did I get the Gryffindor colour there? And I mean, it's a strong, fierce look, and that's Gryffindor. They're brave, strong. So, I don't know, I think I got it. I think I better embrace that braveness to go out wearing this. Yeah, bit of fun. Next, obviously, I still have Slytherin and Ravenclaw to do. I'm Ravenclaw, so it's going to be the last one because that's my house. So I'll probably do a Slytherin look in the next month or so. And, yeah, I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out what I think of it. Like I said, you let me know. It'd be great to hear from you. And if you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button. All the stuff to do. Thumbs up, whatever. Sounds like a marketing thing. Please subscribe and do this and like whatever. And as always, remember, be kind, be strong, and be a warrior. And I'll see you later. Bye.